Hi everyone. Basically now we will be doing a demonstration of how to use BlueJ. It will be a small demonstration. So basically in BlueJ, if you are finding a BlueJ in your desktop, it's well and good. But if you are not, then go to search bar, type BlueJ here and click on BlueJ. Once you find BlueJ, go to project, click on new project and type project 1 here. Remember the folder where you are saving it. Okay. Like I am saving it in desktop. You can save it in anywhere you like, but just remember where you are saving it and then click create. Once you have created, click on new class, write the name of the class prog1, program 1. Here you will find different types of options available, but you need to select class as your class type. Now click OK and now go to program. Select by pressing Ctrl A, enter backspace. Now write import java.io.star, import java.tutorial.star. We will get to why we are using it, but for now let's use it. Now let's name the class as probe1. Always remember the name you are finding here should always be same as the name you get here. It's very essential. Now public. Public is basically an access specifier. Now we need to mention a return type which is void. We will explain, we will get to public, void, why we use them, what is a return type. We will get to everything, but slowly. For now, just mug it up because things will be clear as we head on for the course. Public void. Let's name the function as display because we are going to display it, right? And a function is always followed by basis. Now, um, in order to print anything on your screen, what you need to do is type system.out.println, and that's what we do. See system.out.println, open braces, close braces, semicolon, and anything you write, you need to write it within quotations. So we will write hello friends. That's all. Now we will compile it. No syntax error. Let's cancel this out. Go to prog, right click on it. You will find a new option called new prog. Now click on that new prog option. You will find an instance of prog created. Basically this is an object. And what does this object actually do? I will explain you later on. So now we will click on display and see here I've got hello display. Now one thing to note is that this hello display comes because let's print hello friends. See hello friends over here and hello friends over here. And this thing, when you right click on it, you find a display, right? This display comes because we have this display over here, right? That's all. Now I need to show you something more. Suppose you don't want this object and you want to create a class which is without an object. Now we need to declare static in front of it. When you write static, basically what happens is that static doesn't need an object to call itself instantiate. Now compile it, right click, and now when you click on void display, you don't need basically this hello friends. Let's clear it out and go to right click on it, void display. We have this terminal over here. Hello friends. Now if you just get on to this project, you will find that there are tons of options. You can create a new project, you can open a project, like this. You can just open a Java project and then completely use all of your codes. Like I have one, see this, I have one. So for example, I have another folder in the Java drive where I have written all my codes. Now just shut it down and you have a lot of options. You can open a non-BlueJ project as well. How to do this? Let's get into it. Now what we will be doing is that we will be closing it. Now basically what we will be doing is that let's right click on this desktop, click on new, click on text document. See, you find your text document, click on text document and change it to log1 dot. Click on yes. Now click on open with notepad. You can open with notepad as well, but since I am not having notepad, I use notepad plus plus, so I'm doing it using notepad plus plus. When you double click it, you can do it using notepad as well. Now right here class log1 public static void main string args. Now write the same thing, system dot println hello. Now just close it out. Fine. Save it by pressing Ctrl S and close the window. Now we will be going to command prompt, press cmd here, or you can also go to run. Click on this. You have cmd here. Type cmd, press enter. Now since I have to move to desktop, so we will move into desktop first before I do anything. Now I have this folder here, prog1, so I will be pressing javac prog1.java. So now basically what we will be doing is that let's go here, click on prog1 java javac, basically javac prog1 dot java. Javac prog1 dot java is basically the name of this file which you will be running. Fine. So click on it, compiled. Now you will see a new class has been created. So now what we are doing, we will be pressing java As I told you, click on Java and proc1 without the dot class extension and click OK. See, it's all done and set.